our first annual destruction video for summer. And as you can see, we have the guns laid out. We have the JG-G36C we're going to be using, and the DPMS Panther Arms A17, and this Nerf shotgun, which will be in the end of the video.
Alright, and we have the Wind Gun M1911 and the UTG Master Sniper right here.
And so we're going to be destroying cans, light bulbs, and some CDs. Alright, here's what we're going to be shooting today. We got 3 filled cans of soda, 2, I wish we had more for you guys, but that's all we have so far. And we have a bunch of cans filled with water, a couple light bulbs and a disc, and the mystery item, as they say. So we're gonna start shooting this stuff and arrange it for you guys, and then have fun watching. Alright, here's Gilly with the UTG Master Sniper.
Ow.
Boss.
Alright, we have WWE Spike shooting these cans with the G36. Holy crap.
Alright, me and Gilly are going to be shooting the 4 cans right there. He has the DPMS A17, I have the G36C. Full auto. You cleared those up pretty fast. Alright, we got Gilly shooting the Wind Gun M1911 at those 2 cans.
Alright, WWE Spike's gonna be shooting these light bulbs with the G36. See?
Alright, Gilly's gonna shoot this light bulb with the Wind Gun M1911. Beautiful. Alright, Gilly's got the UTG Master Sniper M24. Oh, let's see this. Holy crap. That looks like an actual bullet hole.
Here we go. Oh, went through the middle. That hit me. Oh.
Epic. He's got the DPMS full auto.
WWE Spike's gonna spray this with the G36.
Alright, we got the DPMS and the G36C on the box. Okay. Let's move
right
back
hand.
a bit. Left. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Holy crap.
Wow.
I just hear mommy. Look at that. Imagine if that was you. All of them went through. Jesus Christ.
Alright, WWE Spike's gonna take a couple shots at this freaking shotgun. Holy shit. Just break.
Your turn.
My turn.
Too easy.
One more time. Look, it's just apart. Oh, it's not a shotgun anymore. taking apart. Piece doesn't want to break, so